Why would you miss Europe's biggest reefing event of the year? Stick around because I'm going to share 6 game-changing reasons why you should attend Coral Freaks 2025. This is an event you cannot afford to miss. More on this right after this. You have to love reefing. From jaw-dropping corals to cutting-edge reef technology to secrets to be shared by the world's top reef keepers, this is where the future of reefing comes to life. Why I say this is an opportunity you don't want to miss? Last year, they had an experience where people showed up at the door, but there were no seats available for them. This is a limited seat event, and only those that buy their tickets in advance will have a seat available for them. So don't be the one waiting for the last minute to get that seating. Get it now. All VIP seats have been sold out, so what's left are limited number of seats. Get yours now while you can. So please, order your seats now before they go. Don't wait till the last minute. But this event isn't just about reef tanks, it's about making a difference. With every ticket sold, £5 will be donated to the Minds Charity Foundation, supporting mental health, awareness, and care. Reef keeping is more than a hobby. It's therapy. And that's why I'm so proud that £5 of every ticket sales will go directly to the Minds Charity Foundation, supporting mental health programs and services. When you attend Coral Freaks 2025, you're not just investing in your tank, you're helping others find balance, healing, and hope. Let's start with the man who literally wrote the book on reef keeping, Julian Sprung, founder of Two Little Fishies. Next is Corey Coralhead Treadwell, the diving force at White Coral. Representing the next generation of reefing greatness is Salem Clemens. Formerly part of Reef Builders, few people have done as much for the future of reef keeping as Jamie Craigs, curator at the Horniman Museum and Gardens. And finally, I will be also one of the guests. Keeping this event flowing smoothly is Stefan, the Yorkshire Reefer, one of the UK's top reefing influencers. His passion, humor, and deep knowledge of saltwater aquariums make him the perfect host to connect the audience. The raffle event last year was out of this world. Top-notch equipment was being raffled off, and this year we're going to add a little twist to it because I am going to donate Coral Reef Aquarium Volume 2 Gold Edition to be raffled off. So for those that don't have it yet, or those that want to add the Gold Edition to their library, come down, get into the raffle, and not only get my book, but get amazing equipment that you can't get anywhere else for a few pounds. So go for it. This is an event you want to be at. I'll see you then. So until next time, you have to love reefing.